Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're opening the Live Camera app now. Grant camera and mic access when prompted so the app can capture audio and video. Choose the network with the best upload speed because streaming quality depends on consistent bandwidth. Once done, close competing apps to free CPU and battery. This reduces dropped frames. Tap the app icon and pick Live Mode, not Photo. You're starting in the right place because permissions, connection, and resources directly affect stream stability and image clarity. Now you configure how the stream is encoded and transmitted. Select resolution and bitrate to balance clarity and reliability. If upload is limited, pick 720p with a 2, 503, 500 kbps bitrate. For higher quality use 1080p and 4, 0005, 000 kbps. Once selected, set frame rate to 2430 fps for smooth motion and lock exposure and focus to prevent sudden shift. You're ready to go live. Hit go live and watch the health meters for dropped frames, bitrate, or buffer warnings to catch issues early. Start local recording as a backup in case the stream fails and monitor CPU and device temperature. Long streams can overheat phones. If viewers report stutter, reduce resolution or bitrate or switch to a stronger network. If the app freezes, stop the stream, force quit, and relaunch. This usually clears camera locks and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.